February na. It's the love month. Clock in with me. Alam nyo, there comes a point in your life, in my life, na parang wala na lang yung Valentine's. Bitter, no? Well, I was supposed to be bitter, and I think I still am. But I just wanna share, since Feb-ibig, there's this girl na, alam mo yung simpleng hi niya lang. Iba eh. Yung smile niya, yung tumingin lang siya sa direction mo, sa direction ko. Para akong high school ulit na hindi ko mapigilang ngumiti na lang. And I don't know, every time magkasalubong kami, there's just this excitement and kaba na nararamdaman. And wala lang, parang it just brings back the old days na, alam mo yun, yung nasa kaklase mo si crush or nasa kabilang section siya. Yeah. And hopefully, sana wala siyang ka-date sa Valentine's, no? Kung sino man ka-date niya or mag-aya sa kanya, sana mabangga ng truck. Joke lang. And ayun, para sa inyo ba, sino ba yung taong yun?